Alright, today we're going to talk about Flipgrid and the integration that you can put Flipgrid into Canvas to create a video discussion platform that your students can use and you can use to spark discussion in your classroom, especially now that we're online. Flipgrid works that teachers basically post topics and questions to a class, and then students record, upload, view, react, and respond to each other's short videos. What I want to do today is show you how to integrate the Flipgrid app into your Canvas course, and then to show you how to add an assignment. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to link your Canvas account to Flipgrid. So you need to make sure that you go to Flipgrid and you're going to want to sign up as an educator if you haven't already. You can do that very simply using your Google account through your school Google account. And if you do have a Flipgrid account already, you can hit the educator login, and that'll take you in. And I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to log in with mine. So this is basically the Flipgrid entry. I'm going to go back to Canvas. So to integrate the two, you're going to click on Settings, and then you're going to go to Apps. And what you're going to do is look for to see first of all if Flipgrid is installed. It shouldn't be in this case, but no, it's not. So I'm going to go to Not Installed, and I'm going to do a search for Flipgrid. I'll hit Return. You'll see there's the Flipgrid app. I click on it, and I'm going to select Add App, and you're going to see it's going to ask me for a consumer key and a shared secret. Now, Flipgrid makes this really easy to find, so you're going to go back into your account, your Flipgrid account, and you're going to come over here where your name is, and if you just click on that one time, you'll see it says Integrations. So if you don't have any, which you won't, you're going to have Add New Integration. And I'm going to call this Algebra Test Course because that's my course. And I'm going to hit Create. And you'll see it's created a consumer key, which I can hit Copy. And I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to paste that. And I'm going to go back in and I'm going to get this shared secret. And I'm going to hit Add App. And those two things basically connect Canvas to the Flipgrid. You'll see now it's installed. So from there, how do you use this? Well, it's very simple. You can add Flipgrids through your assignments. So we're going to add a real simple assignment. We'll come over to click on Assignment, and I'm going to give it a name. Flipgrid video number 1, and then I would fill all this information in normally, but just for the sake of time, then I would come down for submission type and I would choose external tool. Now this I'm going to search for like I would search for my Google Docs, but in this case I'm going to look for Flipgrid, and this is my Flipgrid integration. I'm going to hit select, and then I'm going to put a due date on here. And then I'm going to hit Save. It's going to come up and you're going to connect Flipgrid to Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. These are ones that are already connected. So I'm going to create a course grid. So you will see that the topic has now been added, Flipgrid video number 1. And as the teacher, you can record a video to give focus to what the topic is going to be. So you might already have a video created, or you might need to record one. And you'll see the optional choices here. You can record a video, you can upload one, you can put a YouTube video on here. So if you wanted to use a YouTube video for something else, you could actually add those. You could put an image here, you can add different items, but we'll click, we're going to upload a video. Now this will appear differently on your iPad, so if you're using your iPad to do this, so we're just going to add a video that I have with me, and this one is a video that Carolyn made for hers, but I would select the video, and I can choose a part of this to be the selfie. We'll just choose that. And I can select next. And you'll see that it takes a little bit of time to prepare the video. It's uploading, I'm sorry. It will come back up. It'll say, congrats, we got your topic video there. We're going to hit complete. And then you can change your title or your recording time that you want to suggest to students. But you'll see your videos now shown here. You can put a topic tip if you'd like here. And you want to show video moderation will be, you have to approve the video. If you want students to provide an email address, you might want to do that, just depending on how they get logged in, and then what the status is. So then when you're done, you have to hit update, and I'll just show you how this assignment will look for students. So if we go back to the home page, when we go to student view, we come to assignments. Here's the Flipgrid video. Well, there it was. There it is. So what a student will see is they will get this Canvas grid, and you'll see it's given them a number here. And all a student would have to do is in the app on their iPad, which they can download the Flipgrid app from self-service. They can click here and they can record their response using their iPad, or if they're on a computer like I am at this point, they can click on record a response, and if they have a mic and a camera, they can hit import video and go from there. But this just gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility and ease, and as the teacher, when you want to come back in to grade your videos, they would all show up on your screen at this point. So hopefully you can think of some really cool ways to use Flipgrid with your classes, and I hope to hear some of the feedback and see how things went. Thanks, and I hope this is helpful. Thanks.